Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Faith and today I'm gonna show you how to make this headband. It's knitted and I use the most stitch. So this is a beginner friendly pattern with a free written pattern on our blog. I will add the link in the description box below so you'll check it out for other sizes. The size made in this video is this one. It's a kid size and it covers a head circumference of 18 inches. So for this tutorial, you will need a 6.5mm knitting needles, bulky weight yarn or weight 5, but for this particular one, I used 2 strands of a DK yarn, a tape measure, yarn needle, pair of scissors, and the free written pattern on our blog. So let's just head over to our video. So to begin, you're going to cast on 15 stitches on your needle, or any odd number of stitches on your needle if you want a wider one or a shorter one, but this one is a small or a kid size. Also, if you want other sizes, do check the written pattern on my blog, it's free. And then to continue, you're going to start on row 1. So row 1, what you're going to do, you're going to knit the first stitch, and then purl the next stitch. Knit the next, purl the next. So you're going to continue alternating between a knit stitch and a purl stitch until the end of your row. So since we started with a knit stitch, you should also end with a knit stitch. So at the end of row 1, you're going to turn your work, and then this is how it should look like. These are purl stitches and then these are knit stitches. So what you're going to do, you're going to repeat row 1 pattern. So knit the first stitch, and then purl the second stitch. Knit the next and purl the next. So also repeat this to the end of your row. Finish it off with a knit stitch, turn your work and repeat that pattern. So it's just a 1 row repeat until you achieve your desired length of the headband. So for this one, since it's a child size, I'm going to work until my length measures 17 or 18 inches. So I'll meet you when I have 18 inches in total. Just to repeat it once more, you're going to knit the first stitch, and then purl the next. and repeat that to the end of the row. So just continue with your work and I'll meet you when you're joining the ends together or when you're finishing off your headband. So I went ahead and did 114 rows, and as you can see my work measures 17 inches. So to finish it off, you're going to bind it. And to bind off, you're going to knit the first stitch and then knit the next stitch. Grab the first stitch on your right needle and then pull it off the second stitch, sorry. Then knit the next stitch. Grab the previous stitch and pull it off your needle, leaving the current stitch, and repeat that till the end of your row. So knit the last, bind off the last stitch. Then when you have one needle on your hook, you're going to leave a longer tail, roughly 8 to 10 inches, and then cut off your yarn. And then in this loop, we want to grab that long tail and pull it through. So our work is complete, and the only thing that is remaining is to join these two ends together. So to do that, we're going to line the ends together, fold both sides in two or in half like this, and then you're going to overloop them like this, overlap them, yeah. So you're going to overlap them. And then your next step is to sew them together, all the four sides. So grab your needle and then feed in the last loop that you've left. Just feed both of them if you're working with 2 strands. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through the first stitch, go through the next stitch on the next fold until you have all the 4 parts together, and then sew it through. Go in the next stitch and do the same, and repeat this until you've sewn it through to here. So you want to go back again this way. So in it through, just make a knot or 2 and then cut off that loose end. So you want to go ahead and weave also this one inside your work. And it through, just make a knot and cut your yarn. So in it through, just turn your work on the right side, and this is how it should look like. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section below. You can like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Until next time, stay safe and God bless you. Thank you and bye.